the small village of Elkhart Lake, Wisconsin, a 4-mile behemoth of asphalt sits in the northern summer sun, known as Road America. This race marks the last East Coast round before the West Coast summer races. For the riders, this presents an opportunity to set themselves, their bikes, and their team in their best position before the long trek west.
Two equal sides don't equal ties. Yo, I came to equalize. Let's energize. Basic math plus minus equals times. Pop says crazy watching the sequel shine. Last man standing, tell him I seek my prize. Challenge on why, stepping to bring you die. I remember what it's like to be you guys, letting people take all the truth and feed you lies. As soon as you think that you safe, I'm still in the race, so don't fall asleep. Don't wait around. I'm on my way. I'm on the prowl. So don't fall asleep.
Setting yourself up for the West Coast venture can be especially difficult on a new team. Riding on his new Omega Moto team, South African Pham Petersen looks to keep improving the bike and making progress with the team.
Yeah, now is kind of the time where you want to start getting those results and kind of putting yourself in a position to where everybody knows that you're serious and just put yourself in a good position for the rest of the season. Now that we're kind of getting to that halfway point and closing down to some of the other races, it is kind of important to start getting those results and closing the gap down to the leaders.
Peterson was looking to make his best result in the ultra-competitive superbike class with a 5th place starting position.
Good start from Tony Elias, no shock. Josh Herron also got away well.
Garrett Gerloff from the second row got a good jump as well. You see he just jumped in front of his teammate there, so Garrett Gerloff is in 3rd at the moment as they break down into turn 1.
That could be what helps Josh Herron. Here, Tony goes down. Your championship points leader locked up the front, and down he goes. It's going to be Josh Herron. He comes up the top of the hill.
In one of the closest races of the season, Peterson managed to snag 6th and 9th place finishes after fighting hard in the front pack. In the other ultra-competitive supersport class, aiming to take his first win, is rookie Shawn Kelly. Kelly, new to the series, faces the challenge of learning new tracks such as Road America.
Man, so far it's been quite a season. This is all new to me. My first time in the series, first time racing in the super sport class, and in general here in the MotoAmerica paddock. So it's been great so far. Still learning a lot. The thing about me this first few rounds is every race track has been new, including here Road America. So it's been suiting quite well so far here in Road America. It definitely is a track that suits me a little bit better, a little bit more European style. So really nice to get back and get this flowing feeling. Really excited to keep on going in this way. The championship is still really open. We still have quite a few possibilities. So we'll just keep on learning and keep on trying our best, and hopefully we can make it happen soon. Definitely talking about championship points and really being smart with it. Like for me, it's a little bit different. I'm a rookie here, and I have two years signed here in the super sport class. So I don't have the pressure of having to win the championship this year. You know, I of course that is my goal, but at the same time, you know, I still have to learn everything for the rest of my career. So right now, I'm still in the process of I'm just trying to learn, and I'm just trying to be consistent. You know, it's been going well so far. I think right now in the tracks that I don't know, my best shot is just being as consistent as I can. And then when it comes to time where I know that I'm strong in the races that I know, the tracks that I know my way around, that's where I can really push for the big points, and hopefully that'll pay off for the championship.
Well, Jason, here we go, getting ready for Super Sport.
Bobby Pham on pole, 219.8, the only rider into the 19s. His teammate, Shawn Kelly, tremendous effort. Right next to him, and then Hayden Gillum in third on that front row. Then we go back to our points leader.
Leading is Hayden Gillum on the 69. Bobby Pham on the 50 is in second spot. DJ Jacobson on the 99. Shawn Kelly on the 40 in fourth.
Kelly had one of his most successful weekends, securing second and third place finishes in the races. The points battle for the lead tightens up ever so slightly as the MotoAmerica circus heads to Utah. Next time on American Racing.